Hi there, welcome to the print experiment. My name is Jeremy and I'm thrilled to have you here. I recently purchased the Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon 3D printer. I'm completely new to 3D printing and I'm just documenting everything as I learn the ropes to 3D printing. On this channel, I will share my wins and my mistakes so that you can learn alongside me. So far, I've been printing some very basic things and reviewing them, but I've got some big ideas for some projects to tackle when I feel the time is right. So like I said, this channel is for beginners or hobbyists that are new to 3D printing and are just looking for the confidence to take on their own projects. Whether I'm just testing materials, creating something functional, or troubleshooting a problem, my goal is to answer your questions and inspire you to create new things. Right now, I'm exploring everything that 3D printing has to offer. Unboxings, reviews, experiments, projects. I will also be showing any maintenance or repairs that come up along the way. And as the channel grows, I plan to refine the content to what resonates best. Here's a little sneak peek of some of the other content that's currently on the channel. Here I am setting up the Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon 3D printer and then getting started with it. Here I am checking out some of the included preloaded models. And then here I am creating a small boat that actually floats and moves in the water. I also have some ideas of prints that will help me get the most out of my 3D printer. Those may or may not have already been printed by the time you see this video. But anyways, thanks for checking out the print experiment. If you'd like to go along this journey with me, hit that subscribe button down below.